New just listed home, 1122 84th Terrace North Apartment A, St. Petersburg, Florida. By Michelle Olds from the Military Veteran Team. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath home on 940 square feet of charming space in a cozy, well-managed area. Inside, the bright, open living area flows naturally into a fully renovated kitchen, which serves as an inviting centerpiece with modern cabinetry and brand new appliances. The layout hosts an oversized primary suite designed for comfort and a versatile second bedroom perfect for guests. These are served by 2 stylishly updated full bathrooms with contemporary finishes. Outdoors, enjoy a private screened-in patio and community pool. Contact us and make it yours.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realtor Team and see why we're #1 on Google.